The F-35 Lightning II, not just a fighter jet, it's a flying computer built for the wars of tomorrow. Stealth so advanced, enemies don't even know it's there. Sensors so smart, it sees the battlefield before anyone else. It links every aircraft, every soldier, every ship into one digital web of dominance. From U.S. Navy carriers to Marine Corps assault ships and Allied air bases worldwide, the F-35 rules every domain. One jet, 3 variants, infinite reach. The F-35 Lightning II, redefining air superiority for the 21st century. The sky belongs to those who can see beyond it.